Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email sign-up form using the updated Mailchimp interface. The first thing you need is a Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, just go to Mailchimp.com and create an account. It's free to get started and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard, which is the main hub where you manage all your campaigns, lists, and forms. Now, we're going to create a sign-up form. In the left menu, look for the Create button. Click that. You'll see a few options like email, landing page, and sign-up form. For this tutorial, we're going to build a sign-up form using a landing page, which is a great option because it's quick to set up and doesn't require a website. Choose the Sign Up Landing Page option. This will let you create a simple page where people can enter their name and email to join your list. It's a clean and effective way to start collecting subscribers. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to name your landing page. You can call it anything. Then, select the audience you want to collect contacts into. If you don't have an audience yet, you'll need to create one. Just open a new tab, go to the Audience section, and create a new one by clicking Add Audience. Once that's ready, go back to your landing page setup and choose that audience. Click Begin, and you'll be taken to the landing page editor. Here you can pick a layout. You'll see different templates like lead generation, promote products, and grow your list. For a basic sign-up form, I recommend choosing the lead generation layout. It's simple, clean, and works well for most cases. Once the editor loads, you'll see blocks you can move, delete, or edit. You can remove anything you don't need. To add the sign-up form block, go to the right side where it says Blocks. Drag the sign-up form block into your layout. This is where people will enter their details. Click the pencil icon on the sign-up block to edit the fields. You can choose which fields to include. At minimum, you'll want to collect the email address. You can also ask for the first and last names if you want. You can make each field required by checking the boxes. If you don't need phone numbers or addresses, you can remove those fields to keep the form short and user-friendly. Below the fields, you'll see an option for what happens after someone submits the form. You can either show a confirmation message or send them to another page. For now, let's just use the default message, something like, "Thanks for signing up." That way, users know their info was submitted successfully. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. Now your form is ready, and you can preview what it looks like on desktop or mobile. If you want more control over your form, Mailchimp also has a form builder. You can find it by going to the Audience tab, then clicking Sign Up Forms, and choosing Form Builder. This tool lets you add more types of fields like checkboxes, drop-downs, dates, and more. You can even change the background colors or add a logo for branding. When your form is ready, Mailchimp gives you a URL you can use. You can share this link anywhere, like in your emails or on social media. You can also embed it into your website if you want. It's a flexible way to grow your email list from multiple channels. And that's it. You've now created a working sign-up form in Mailchimp using the new interface. You can go back and edit it anytime. This is a great way to collect emails for your newsletter, course, or any type of update. Thanks for watching.